When it comes to the sun and protection, people of color grow up believing certain things. Years later, they discover they were completely wrong. The sun's UV rays are harsh on skin. Everyone's skin. In fact, 95% of wrinkles are caused by the sun's UV ultraviolet light. Sun damage weakens the collagen binding underneath the skin and causes it to sag and suffer from post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH. This refers to increased pigmentation or dark spots at the site of inflammation. Unfortunately for people of color, this PIH effect can be intensified. Thankfully, EXTRASHADE is here. EXTRASHADE is sun protection for rich complexions. It's strong protection with a high SPF factor. The alternative is expensive treatments and wearing heavy concealer or makeup to cover blemishes. You were born with beautiful skin. We want to keep it that way. EXTRASHADE. Sun protection for rich complexions.